It's literally dark as hell out here in the middle of nowhere. Imagine being broke down right here with nobody to help you. YouTube family, what's up? I was bored chilling in the house and I decided to leave out. It's currently, what time is it? It's 1:35 in the morning. I was in the house, couldn't sleep, and I was like, let me go out, record, let me talk to my YouTube bros. Hopefully the audio comes out clear. That's why I raised the windows up a little bit. The car's so loud. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to just talk to y'all, have like a conversation. I just want you guys to just sit back, enjoy the video, enjoy the late night cruise. Since I have my YouTube channel, I felt like I just always posted videos and I haven't let you guys know the real me. And I feel like I owe you guys that, because this YouTube channel means so much to me, and every single one of you watching means so much to me. And I just want to show my gratitude and just show how much I appreciate everybody. But yeah, so let's get to know 6-speed. So first thing first, my real name is Ray, R-A-Y. And I came up with the name 6-speed because obviously I have a 6-speed manual transmission Mustang. And I always loved a manual car. This is my first manual. Getting this car just meant so much to me when I first bought it. I didn't know how to drive manual, and this was the first time me buying a manual car, stick car, whatever you want to call it. And I just fell in love with it since day one. So that's where the name 6-speed come from. I'm from Chicago, born and raised. Let me turn the AC on, I'm actually burning up. So yeah, I'm from Chicago, born and raised. Been living in Chicago my whole life. Moved to Indiana a few years back because I just like the pace out here. It's real slow pace, especially compared to Chicago. Chicago is a real fast-paced city. And I just needed something more chill because I'm a chill person. And we're gonna get into that next. But yeah, I love Indiana. It's more my speed. I love coming to these back roads in Indiana. They wide open, it's dark, and you know, it's just real super low key. But anyway, yeah, more personal stuff about me. I grew up the only child. I don't have any siblings. So I grew up almost like a loner, like didn't really talk too much because when I was being raised by my mom and my grandma, I was in a house just by myself, just chilling, didn't really have nobody to talk to. I would just play video games all day by myself and just play with, you know, my toys, my action figures, whatever it was at the time. I would just, you know, just be by myself. And I didn't have nobody to talk to growing up. So now that I'm a grown-ass man, obviously, I'm real like super like chill. I don't really talk too much. I'm still kind of shy. It's just always been hard for me to come out my bubble. And I think that has a lot to do with my upbringing as far as when I was a child. And that's why, and you guys don't know this, but like that's why it's kind of been hard for me to be consistent on YouTube, because it just be hard for me to talk, and I just be so in my bubble, and I just be feeling like a little awkward sometimes because I'm not really used to talking that much. And I don't know if you guys noticed it or not, but you know, I'm just real chill and I'm real like to myself. I don't really talk too much, but I want to change that for you guys watching. And you know, I feel like talking to you will make me come out my bubble even more, and it'll make me want to talk. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm trying to say. So yeah, moving on to the next thing. What else? Growing up, I was a big basketball kid. I loved basketball, and I still do. I played basketball in high school all 4 years. I went to college, played basketball a little bit there, but unfortunately, things didn't really work out in my favor. Kind of got distracted by a lot of nonsense, and you know, basketball just kind of just faded away. And during the time, it was super hard because I wanted to keep playing basketball, but it just didn't work out that way. Basketball was so big to me back then. I don't know if you guys really keep up with like basketball and stuff, but I used to play AAU. I used to go to Las Vegas. I used to go to Florida. I used to go a lot of places cross country, and I used to play basketball for my summer league team. And I got looked at by a lot of college coaches while I was doing those. It was just some of the best experiences of my life. Definitely the most fun time in my life. And I always think about it from time to time because it just meant so much to me in that moment. Man, it's literally pitch black outside. Like, nobody is out here on the road. Like, it's super dark out here. Like, no other cars, no traffic at all. I'm just out here on the road by myself, talking to you guys. Look at this. This is with my high beams on. You probably can't even tell the difference because one, I got my windshield tinted, and then two, it's just so dark out here. So I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but like I said, the back roads out here in Indiana are like unreal. Like, I love them. Actually in the middle of nowhere, and it's getting a little creepy. This is crazy. It's so dark out here. I want to get out and just show you guys how dark it is around me. Should I do it? Hold on, I actually got a flashlight with me too. Raise my window down so I don't lock myself out. Damn. Bro, it's literally dark as hell out here in the middle of nowhere. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but man, this is crazy. Bro, imagine being broke down right here with nobody to help you. Like, I don't know if you guys, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's cornfields for miles and miles. On a 2-lane road. Let me get out of here, man. Oh shit, it's a bug in here, bro. Damn, that bug's still in here. What the fuck? You see it? I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. Fuck out of here. Okay, back to regular scheduled programming. I'm gonna do a pull out here. But yeah, back to our conversation. I just appreciate you guys so much. And I wish I could just meet every single one of you and just shake everybody's hand, man. Because you guys mean so much to me, and you making me just want to just take YouTube more serious. Because everybody, every time I get comments or every time I get a thumbs up on my video, it just means so much to me. And you guys are just awesome, and I can't say it enough, man. You guys are just awesome. And yeah, I'm the type of person, man, I just try to be as positive as possible. And I just try to uplift people. Because, you know, I know life gets tough. Life gets really tough. And whenever I'm going through something that gets me down, I just always just try to be positive, man, and just live with zeal. You gotta be a warrior every day, man. And you know, if anybody watching this video, if nobody ever told you this, you matter. No matter if you don't feel like you do, no matter if your life is not going good right now, you matter, man. And you will be successful, and you will have everything that you ever dreamt of, and you will have everything you aspire to have. Just work hard, do what you gotta do, and just try to make the best decisions you can for yourself. But you matter, and you always will. And if nobody ever told you that, man, 6Speed is telling you that. Man, it's time to grow this channel. My goal, you know what I'm saying, I write down my goals and stuff, whether it's on my phone or a vision board. But one of my goals is to hit 100K subscribers. I'll literally be like the happiest man in the world if I hit 100K. And I know we can do it. Last pull before I get home. What gauge color do y'all want? Let's see, what's a cool color? Orange, don't really look like orange. Blue, purple, green. You know what, I don't think I ever drove on green before. White, ice blue. I don't know. We'll do green. We'll do a pool in green. So yeah, man, so just made it back home. About to play a little bit of COD. But if you like today's video, please make sure you go give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please make sure you drop your comments down below. Great talk with you guys tonight. Appreciate you for watching. Appreciate you for listening. Go check out the new website. Go buy some merch. Let's get this zeal movement started, man. Click the link down in the description. Go buy some merch. Support the channel. And yeah, love you guys. See you next video. Peace.